I wasn't building momentum. It labels and scores it based on the virality. Export at least 4 to 6 of them. Then this workflow can change everything. I used to spend hours making short form content, writing captions, editing clips, exporting for Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts just to get 100 views. It wasn't sustainable. So I flipped the strategy. Now I create one long form video a week and use Opus Clip to extract the best moments, schedule them out across every platform, and grow my brand without burning out. And I'm gonna show you exactly how I do it. But first, let's talk about why short form content alone wasn't working. For a long time, I focused on short form content. Reels, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, thinking that was the key to growing fast. And yeah, some of them would get decent views, but most, 100, 200 views, then gone. No long-term growth, no real brand connection, just a constant pressure to post more, edit faster, and hope something would hit. And here's the real problem. Short form alone doesn't build depth. People might watch you for 20-second clips, but then they don't remember you.
That's why no one will remember your name.
There's no space to tell your story, share your process, or explain the value behind what you do. So while I was getting a few views here and there, I wasn't building momentum. I was just staying busy. And that's when I realized I needed to flip the strategy. And this is where Opus Clip changed the game for me. And we're gonna hop on the computer so I can show you the process. Once you're on Opus Clip, the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna take the link of the YouTube video. Don't drop the video because it takes longer for it to process. If you drop the link, it'll be faster. Then you're gonna proceed to this screen here. It says get clips in 1 click. I like to go clip length of 30 to 59 seconds. Processing time frame, the whole video is what I like to do. Get clips in 1 click. And from here, we're going to wait. I'll fast forward it and we'll catch back up. So after Opus Clip process and generates your video, it will pop up ready to go. We just click on it and then it's going to give you a bunch of short form pieces of content that it labels and scores it based on the virality of it. In each one of these individual short forms, we can go in and adjust the length of it, the captions, the framing if we don't like where the framing is, just fine tune it to our needs. So we're gonna go into one of these. So just amplifies that moment a little bit more to capture that attention. See, I like this framing right here of me on the bottom and the timeline on the top. So I might just make the whole video that. So we'll go in there and see where it says fit. You'll go up top here where it says fit and you'll go screen share. I want this one on the bottom. This one on top. There we go. Perfect. And let's play that back. A little bit more to capture that. It might be grainy here. That's because this is in preview mode. So just FYI on that. I like this one. Perfect. So I'm gonna save it. Boom. This one's ready to go. And what we're gonna do is go into each one of these, again, fine tune them and frame them where you want them to be framed. When it's up to your standards, export at least 4 to 6 of them so that you're able to just schedule and post them out. Now there is another platform called Spike Studio, and I will place an image here of like the comparison of Opus Clip and Spike Studio. I haven't personally used it, but if you do, let me know in the comments how it works for you. If not, I've been using Opus Clip since day one and I am a true believer in it. All right, team, let's do one more together. Here we have this clip. Let's go into edit the clip. I want to reframe it because you can see here it's cut off. Instead of it being fit, we're gonna go to up top here and we're gonna go to screen share. And what I'm gonna do is the bottom, I'm gonna frame it on myself. And then on the top, I'm gonna frame it on this Instagram layout right here. Boom, boom, apply. Now notice it's not fitting on the screen, but I could just adjust it by pulling it in. Boom, boom. Good, the top, you see the battery life, so I can still capitalize. There you go. Now when I play it back, find the video that you have finished and link up. And here's the important part right here, guys. I talk to all my clients I work with. That's perfect. So now you left them on a cliff, right? Like what does work for your clients that you tell them all the time? And so they'll go searching for that answer either on your long form content or they'll search through your short form content so that they get the answer to that. So that's all framed up. We'll save that and we'll move on. And here's where the real value shows up. Once I export 4 to 6 short forms from that one long form video, I schedule them across all platforms, TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube, 1 per day. This is how I stay consistent, look like I'm everywhere, and give my content a longer shelf life across all platforms. Now, some extra tips I have for you is 1, remember to always add trending sounds manually to increase reach with a volume level of 1% so that the algorithm can push it out without it affecting what you're saying. And number 2 is batch and schedule 1 week of content in 1 editing session so that you're not spending time throughout your days worrying about posting. Makes life and time management a lot easier. So my final thoughts, if you are a creator, a coach, a small business owner trying to grow online without burning out, then this workflow can change everything. Instead of chasing trends every single day, start turning your best content into a system that works on autopilot. Let your long form content feed every platform you want to show up on. Also, I would love to know in the comments down below if you've used Opus Clip or if you have a system that works for you. I would just love to know how your workflow goes. And other than that, hit that thumbs up if you got some value out of this video. Subscribe for more future content. And as always, till the next one, peace.